Model 1 sent me their soft gel nail tips and their fall gel polish collection. These colors are insane. Let me show you. This first color reminds me of a slithery snake. It's definitely one of my favorites as a Gemini. I think I could wear this color all year round. The next one is a bright deep purple. This color is so majestic. It's giving witch vibes. I can't wait to wear this for the Halloween season. This next color looks holographic. It's giving two tones. It reminds me of the Milky Way. I could stare at it all day long. I love this dark blue because it looks like it has a black base underneath. And it almost looks like a velvet fabric. It's so smooth. This light blue reminds me of an old school car. I just need to go to a car show after this with these nails. And then we have this beautiful red pink. Which one would you wear for the fall season? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Model Ones.